Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because I'm going to unbox finally my Beautylish lucky bag. So let's go ahead and see if I am lucky or not. Beautylish releases every year one lucky bag. This bag is open for pre-ordering on December 26th, or at least it happened this year, because this is the first year when I went and purchased it. And actually they had 3 boxes this year, or 3 bags. There was the standard bag, the one that I purchased, and that retails for $75. They had the XL bag, which I actually did not get the chance to see it. I watched several YouTubers unboxing it, and they said that the XL bag went sold out in like 6 minutes. And they also had the Jeffree Star lucky bag. Now, because I was in the beginning, I just wanted to take the regular Beautylish bag that, as I told you, retails for $75 US, and I also paid for shipping. I don't remember if anyone said they pay for shipping on the US, but I live in Europe, in Czech Republic, so $20 was shipping, and also $90 US were taxes and duties. And I actually got the border-free option, so I was not disturbed by the custom with the other declarations. My box took forever to arrive. I think I'm the last person in this world that did not receive her box. Probably only the people that live on Mars might not get it already. The box was shipped on January 15th and I received mine on February 4th. So it took around 3 weeks to reach out to me on Czech Republic. I've seen that everyone and their mother has already unboxed it, and I've watched so many Beautylish lucky bag unboxing that I think I have an idea what can be inside. I've actually seen someone, they were getting a full set of eye brushes from Sonia G on this standard bag, so I cannot be that lucky for sure. This is the first US bag that I'm getting, but there will be other US boxes that I'm just going to get starting from this month, so stay tuned because I'm going to have more exciting news for you on this channel. So my package was having a weight of 0.91 kilograms. I think this is around 2 pounds. So this is how it looks inside. Guys, I'm really nervous. Lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspires us to create our own. The Japanese character, and this is the name of the character which I cannot read, on this year's lucky bag, which means dawn or daybreak, symbolizes new beginnings after a challenging year. We hope the surprises inside help you welcome 2021 with hope and light. And here are all the goodies. Okay, oh my god, what we have here. The first product that I'm able to see is this jade roller by Kitsch Cleanse Rituals. Genuine semi-precious crystal facial roller. Ritual self-care activities and practices we engage in a regular basis to reduce stress and enhance our well-being. Okay, so this is the first product. Then I have a, wow, oh my god, this is a pair of lashes from Ardell Glamour. I don't think so that I will wear those lashes, but you never know, maybe for a special look I am going to wear this. The third product that I'm reaching for is a Good Molecules pineapple exfoliating powder. I wanted this product, guys, because there are a couple of options from Good Molecules and everyone wanted this exfoliating powder, so I'm really chuffed that I got it. Let's go ahead and open it. So I love the fact that it is a glass container, and this is actual a powder that you can mix with water, and you can exfoliator face. So directions: dispense a teaspoon of powder into palms, mix with a few drops of water to form a cream foam. Use more water for gentler exfoliation. Massage into skin with circular motions. Use up to 4 times a week. This is formulated with fruit enzymes, vitamin C and rice powder to soften, brighten and gently exfoliate. So this is my first good molecules product. And now that I see that I'm able to buy from Beautylish and not be disturbed by the custom with several declarations and stuff like this, I think I'm going to grab more good molecules. And not only because, as I told you guys, I'm not disturbed that I have to pay taxes. I understand that we should pay that. But I'm disturbed by the fact that the custom, it's so ugly. I don't know how to explain it. And this is only the custom that is coming with a national carrier. So those are the most impossible people. Moving on, the next product. Ooh, it's a Sonia G brush. I was not that lucky to get the set. What can I say? But I have the... What is this? Flat definer. This is so beautiful to use it for your under eye area or even to pack shadow on your lid, and it's extremely soft. Of course, now I want more brushes from Sonia G, and I love the fact that this is more chubby, so you can have a precise hold to grab it. So really good brush. Of course, everyone knows that Sonia G does amazing brushes. Next product is by Natasha Denona, and is a Chroma Crystal Liquid Eyeshadow. Wow! I think those are new. They have just been released last year with the Trio Chrome eyeshadow palette. Do I have a shade here? Oh, look at these guys. This is so pretty. And this is the really interesting applicator. This is so beautiful. I'm loving it. I'm really excited for this. You cannot believe, because I wanted to grab those at some point. The next product is by a brand that I wanted to try from a long time. This is OIA Beauty. I haven't seen anyone getting OIA Beauty on their bag. So let's see, what is this? This looks like a lipstick, right? Ooh, oh no. I really don't believe that this is a shade that I can wear. So it's really pretty. This I cannot deny. This is really pretty, but I think this shade doesn't match me. I don't know what to do, to swatch it, to keep it, or to give it to someone else who can enjoy it. Oh my god. I don't know. I think I'm not going to swatch it, just for the fact that I'm not sure. Oh, and it has a magnetic closure. Love that. And the shade is Bahia, yeah. So yeah, I will debate about that. And the last product is a eyeshadow palette by Charlotte Tilbury. I've been wanting to get this, and this is the luxury palette of Pops. I don't think so that I have it. Finally, I managed to open it. So this is actually the Pillow Talk, the luxury palette of Pops. So I don't have this palette. Look at it, it's so beautiful. But also, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it, because I have other similar palettes from Charlotte Tilbury. I might consider to give it. I'm not sure yet. This is everything I received on my Beautylish lucky bag for 2021. Now, the question is, did I get lucky? I did a total up of the products that are inside, and the total value of my bag, it is $176. Now, I paid $75, but I also paid shipping and taxes, and I got the money worth. I got over the money that I paid, including taxes and shipping. But now let's be real, what I'm going to use from this bag. So for sure I'm loving the fact that I got a Sonia G brush. So this retails for $28. I'm also going to keep the crystal roller. I have a jade roller, so now I will have a backup. I will probably keep one of my one in each of the bathrooms just to have them on handy. So this is $24, I think. I love that I got the Good Molecules exfoliating pineapple powder. This retails for $16. And the Natasha Denona Chroma Crystal Liquid Eyeshadow. So those are for sure the keepers. Those lashes, I'm not sure that I'm going to use them. The lipstick remains the question if I'm going to keep it or not. And also I'm thankful that I got the Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette, but again, I don't think so that I'm going to keep it, just because I have those shades. This is similar with my other Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Vintage Escape, the Vintage Vamp eyeshadow palette. So I don't know, guys. You tell me what I should do. Should I keep this palette, or should I give it to a friend, or put it in a upcoming giveaway? So you let me know about that. But other than that, I will say I'm not so excited. Honestly, I thought that I was going to get something else, because I didn't see some of the products in standard regular bags. But last year or the year before, I heard people mention there is a slight difference between the bags that are made for the US and the bags that are made for the internationals. Other than that, is not bad. Is not so wow like I was hoping to be, but I was hoping for sure. I will tell you honest that I was hoping I will get the brush set from Sonia G, because I have seen someone has get it on the standard bag, but I was not that lucky. And yeah, I was hoping that I'm gonna get an eyeshadow palette that I don't have. This is not their fault, because they didn't know that I have a similar palette with this one, with the Luxury of Pops. Now it's your turn to let me know what do you think about my bag. Do you think like it's a wow, or is it like a meh bag? So all your thoughts and opinions, I would like to read them down below. And other than that, if you are not subscribed and you enjoy this kind of videos, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video, and of course to subscribe, because only the subscribers get the notification when I have a new upcoming video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm gonna see you again on my next video. Bye!